DIY Honey and Turmeric Face Mask Recipe. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Optional, 1 teaspoon of plain yogurt oregano aloe vera gel for added moisture and soothing properties. Step 2. Prepare the mixture. 1. In a small bowl, combine the honey and turmeric powder. 2. Mix well using a wooden or silicone spatula until you get a smooth, golden paste. 3. If you're using yogurt or aloe vera gel, add it to the mixture and blend thoroughly. Step 3. Cleanse your face. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and oil. Pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Step 4. Apply the mask. 1. Using your fingertips or a clean brush, apply a thin, even layer of the mask to your face, avoiding the area. 2. Gently massage the mask into your skin for a minute to boost circulation and enhance absorption. Step 5. Let it sit. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes. Relax during this time to allow the mask to work its magic. Step 6. Rinse off. 1. Use lukewarm water to gently rinse off the mask. 2. Pat your face dry with a towel. Step 7. Moisturize. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and glowing. Tips. Use this mask 1 to 2 times a week for best results. Turmeric can stain clothing and towels, so use dark or old fabrics during application. This mask helps brighten skin, reduce inflammation, and combat acne naturally. Stay naturally beautiful.